This lace wig, this hair is Brazilian curly and it's 24 inches. My hairstylist dyed it this like dark red. Well, she did the roots like kind of like black, so she did the roots black going into a darker red to a bright red. I love this color. This hair was originally dark brown, so she got it from a dark brown to this vibrant red. The hair is from Sunber Hair. If you've never heard of them, definitely check them out. It's going to be linked down below. This is a Brazilian curly 24-inch lace wig and it's on sale right now. So if you go check the website, this wig was originally about 160, 80, around that price, but right now it's $80 for their Christmas special. If you're a boy watching this, if you're a girl watching this, get this for your girl, get this for your mom. This wig is the easiest to manage. I really love curly hair. I never did a curly hair wig before. This is my first time trying it. I can definitely say it's easier to manage, better and quicker than straight hair. I'm going to show you the install process, how she installed it and all that good stuff. So that clip is going to come now. This product is called Noodle Head. This is the product that Hachu showed me, and she was like, girl, all you need is this and some water, and you know, your hair is gonna dry and it's gonna be nice and curly and natural. This one is called Noodle Head Kick Up Your Curls Curling Cream. So this is the curling cream, and this is the curl boosting glaze, and this was called Uplift Your Curls. So this is a glaze and this is a cream. This kind of reminds me of kind of like a conditioner. The consistency is kind of like a conditioner. This one is more liquidy, kind of like a, not a serum, but like an oil. I'm gonna comb it through with my fingers, and then I'm gonna add water just to, you know, get it wet. Look at this side and look at this side. And that's just from water. So that tells you, bro, this hair is really good and it's inexpensive. It's a perfect vacation wig, to be honest, or summertime wig. You know what, it's winter, it's anytime wig, honestly. Now I'm gonna add the Noodle Head curling cream, and I'm just gonna put like a good size amount and put it on each side. All the dryness goes right away. You kind of see the difference with the curl cream. I put that on this side. It's moisturized, not frizzy, perfect. And this side is just, you know, it's kind of dry, but I only put water on there. Boom. It kind of looks like it's coming from my scalp with the dark roots, and this kind of looks natural. Some people thought it was my hair, And I wanted to lie and be like, yeah, it's my hair, but it's not my hair. I wish my hair was curly like this. I bet everybody that has curly hair wants straight hair, and the people that have straight hair want curly hair. But curly hair is just so like, adds character. Like, I look like a little hot tamale right now. This product gives a shiny look to your hair. So it looks very glossy and shiny. I like this. The lace is pretty short, which I like that. I don't like really when laces are like over here and it's just full lace, just because it gets dirty from makeup, from using like creams or whatever. Olive oil edge control or this argan oil perfect edges. I like this one better than this one. This one is perfect. I use this with a toothbrush and I just go at the top, you know, do a little of that. And that's it. That's really all that I do to this hair. It's really easy to manage. I love it. I highly recommend them. This hair is very natural looking. I love that. I love when it's more on the natural side more than, oh, boom, you know it's a wig. Like, you know it's a wig, but it also doesn't look too off that you're like, it looks oldie fade. You know, it kind of looks a little bit real to me. Shout out to Sunber Hair for sending me this hair. I'm truly in love. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you would cop this hair, let me know. Or if you had it before, let me know. The next video, there's gonna be a giveaway for hair, Sunber Hair. It's gonna be exciting. Stay tuned for that. Thank you, Sunber Hair.